Number 2, we're going to write the recursive formula for the sequence. Just to remind you what the recursive formula is. The recursive formula uses the previous term, which is the an minus 1. This means previous term. Okay, that's what you're going to use. There's two types, the geometric and the arithmetic. So let's do A here. We have the sequence, so the first thing that we have to do is determine if it is geometric or arithmetic. Here the number is going pretty slow, so let's check for the common ratio. So the common difference, because it's slow. 22 minus 18, this gets you 22 minus 18. I think that is 4. Yep, that is correct. The common difference is 4. So we do think it is arithmetic. All right. So now we're going to write down the formula. The recursive formula is any term an is going to be the previous term an minus 1 plus the common difference. So the answer here would be an is equal to previous term an minus 1 plus 4. This would be the recursive formula for this sequence. B, this looks like it is going pretty slow here. No, it's actually going pretty fast. Let's see. All right, so we have to find the common ratio because we think it is going pretty fast. So we think it's a geometric. 12 divided by 24, this does get you 1/2 or 0.5, however you want to think about it. This is geometric. So the sequence in the recursive formula would be an is equal to the previous term, an minus 1, times the common ratio. So it would be an, and they put the 1/2 times the previous term. They like writing the common ratio in front. Okay, so there you go. That would be the recursive formula for B. Let's take a look at the next one. 12, 12.5, 13. That looks really slow. So we are going to check for a common difference. So 12.5 subtract 12, you get the common difference of 0.5, or you can say 1/2. This is arithmetic. Since it is arithmetic, we can now write down the formula. An is equal to an minus 1 plus the common difference. So an is equal to previous term plus the common difference of 1/2, or you can write 0.5 as well. Let's look at the last one, 63, 21, and 7. That looks really fast. So let's check for the common ratio. 21 divided by 63. 21 divided by 63. That gets you a value of 1/3. Common difference of 1/3. So this becomes a geometric sequence. The formula for geometric sequence is an is equal to previous term times the common ratio. So it is a1 is equal to, this time we put the common ratio in front, 1/3 times the previous term of an minus 1. So there you go. That is how you write the recursive formula for any of these sequences.